Hello student, I hope all are you fine. Myself Mukesh Gangwar, your physics teacher from Brahmdas Saraswati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Bilaspur. Dear student, this video for the class 10th subject physics chapter number 4 electricity. This is the fourth part of this lesson. So dear student, in previous video we are discussed about the resistance and resistivity of the conductor of electric conductor and the good conductor and the bad conductors, resistivity, experimental source the resistivity, unit of resistivity and resistance. So today, dear student, today we are discuss about the combination of resistances or resistors. Combinations of resistance or resistors. Okay students, combination of resistance of or resistors. We are seeing, you are seeing a Christmas tree lights and lights type the jhalars in the Diwali occasions. You are using the light. Show the resistor combination and light combination and the resistance combination for the two types. First of all, number 1, in series, equivalent resistance in series. Equivalent resistance in series. Series, you are seeing the, consider a 3 bulb have the 3 bulb and terminal 1 and terminal 2 terminal 1 and terminal 2 this is the 3 bulbs. In series, this is the 3 bulb and this is the mains. And series का means होता है this the second terminal of first resistance is connected to the first terminal of the second resistance and second terminal of the second resistance is connected to the first terminal of the third resistance and first terminal and the last terminal is connected to the mains. So it is student, this is student is called the series combination. This is called the series combination. In series combination, we get the Diwali lights, Christmas tree lights in this form. Okay students, understand, this is the series combination. Let the combination of resistances in the series, let 3 resistance R1, R2 and R3 connect in series by a cell. connect in series by a cell with a key. Okay students, the current flow by the cell I, then flow in resistance R1 is I, resistance of R2 is I, resistance is R3 and I. The potential difference between the across first resistance is the V1, second is the V2 and third is the V3. So dear student, understanding the point, in series the current flow same is the each resistance. Each resistance have the same current in every resistance. जितनी करंट इसमें फ्लो होगी उतनी ही इसमें होगी, उतनी ही इसमें होगी. एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द एंड्स इज द डिफरेंट ऑफ द ईच रेजिस्टेंस. द आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन इज द करंट इज आर सेम in every resistance. What the potential difference across its end is the difference. ये पहचान होती है, ये आइडेंटिफिकेशन होती है, ये इंट्रो होता है इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का. करंट सभी रेजिस्टेंस में सेम फ्लो होती है और पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सभी के एंड्स पर डिफरेंट होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so noted this point, the series combination of resistances is current are same in the each resistances and different in the potential at the potential difference of its end. Okay students, then continue. Let three resistance R1, R2 and R3, same current small I flowing these resistance through it. Then the potential difference between ends across ends B1, B2 and B3. Then the total potential difference of the circuit. Okay student, then V is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3. We know that V is equal to IR, V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2, V3 is equal to IR3, then IR from equation number 1, IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. I is outside common, R1 plus R2 plus R3, IR. Then the equivalent resistance, then the equivalent resistance of in the series in series, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay students, I hope understand this method. Then the again understanding, let consider three suppose three resistances R1, R2 and R3 connect in series with battery with cell E. The current flow in each resistance is I and potential difference between across its end V1, V2 and V3. Potential difference at the first resistance R1 is V1, potential difference across the second resistance R2 is V2, potential difference and third resistance R3 is V3. Then the total potential difference between the of the circuit V1, V2, V3 इसको सम कर लेंगे तो V इज इक्वल टू V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. We know that V is equal to IR from Ohm's law. V1 is equal to IR1, V2 is equal to IR2 and V3 IR3. The substituting the value of V, V1, V2, V3 in equation number 1. Then V is equal to IR, IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. Then I is outside common. तो V R I से I कैंसिल हो जाता है. Then the equivalent resistance in series R is equal to R1, R2 and R3. So dear student, we are again remember of the whole life the 2 points in the for the term of series combination. The current is the same, potential difference is the differ. Okay student, I hope you are understanding the series combination of the resistors. Hello students, next topic in series. Series का तो आप समझ ही गए. I hope understand the combination of series of resistor. Okay students, तो सीरीज में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं. सपोज कीजिए 3 रेजिस्टेंस हैं, हमने इसको सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर रखा है, तो अगर हम इसको ऑफ करेंगे तो ये भी आपका ऑफ हो जाएगा. एक को ऑफ करेंगे तो सारे के सारे ऑल आर द ऑफ, और एक को ऑन करेंगे तो ऑल आर ऑफ ऑन. सो द डिफिकल्टी इज द सेम सर्किट. तो फाइंड द डिफिकल्टी, सॉल्व द डिफिकल्टी इन द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. सपोज आवर हाउसेस हैव द फैन एंड लाइट्स. सपोज कीजिए दिस इज कॉम्बिनेट फैन और लाइट इज combined to the series combination. Then you are need the fan and light is also on with the fan, and you are need the light, then fan is also on with the light. So these difficulties solved by the parallel combination. Then the equivalent resistance in parallel combination. Equivalent resistance in parallel. In parallel. Equivalent resistance in parallel. ओके. पैरेलल में क्या होता है, हमारे पास 3 बल्ब हैं. सपोज कीजिए थ्री बल्ब हैं. यू हैव द 6 टर्मिनल, एवरी इज द 2 टर्मिनल. इन सब का दिस इज द मेंस. इन सब को मेंस से कनेक्ट किया जाए. सबका कनेक्शन मेंस से होता है, एक ही मेंस से हो एंड डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मेंस से हो। इनके सबकी स्विच लगे होते हैं। इसको ऑन करना चाहते हो तो ये ऑन हो जाता है, इसको ऑन करना चाहते हो तो ये ऑन हो जाता है, और इसको ऑन करना चाहते हो तो ये ऑन हो जाता है। दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन। दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन। So dear students, understand from the parallel combination, then the wiring in our houses is a parallel combination. Parallel combination का बेनिफिट ये होता है कि हमें फ़ैन ऑन करना है तो हमारा ओनली फ़ैन ऑन होगा, लाइट ऑन नहीं होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को हम ऑन करना चाहते हैं वही इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमारा ऑन होता है, बाकी ऑफ रहते हैं। ओके, तो देन लेट 3 रेजिस्टेंसेस R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 connect in series by the battery of key K. Current I flowing for the battery, then the part of I1 through the resistance R1, part of I2 through the resistance R2, and part of I3 through the resistance R3. I1, I2 and I3. The potential difference is the same between the across the ends of the each resistor. Okay students, understand, let 3 resistance R1, R2, R3 connect in series by the battery, and current I1 through the resistance R1, current I2 through the resistance R2, current I3 through the resistance R3. Then potential difference are the same of across the each resistance. Then the total current of the circuit. Then the total current of the circuit. I is equal to I1, I2, I3. We know that I is equal to B upon R, then I1 is equal to B upon R1, I2 is equal to B upon R2, and I3 is equal to B upon R3. From equation number 1, then we get V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus B upon R2 plus B upon R3. Then V is outside common, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. V upon R, V से V कैंसिल हो जाता है, then equivalent resistance in parallel 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay students, बहुत सारे रेजिस्टेंस हों तब भी हम उसको इसी तरह से ऐड कर लेते हैं, 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, you are understand the पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन। हमारे घरों में, हाउसेस में जो वायरिंग होती है वो सभी पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में होती है। अब मेन पॉइंट टू द आइडेंटिफाइंग फॉर द ऑफ द पैरेलल combination and series combination. Parallel in series combination, current is the same and in each resistance, and potential difference between the across of the ends of resistor with the differ. And what current is differ in every resistance in parallel. Some important point why the introducing, by the identifying the parallel combination. Current is different, current are different in each resistance, but the potential difference across each resistance is the same. Potential difference same रहता है, current सभी में different flow होती है। ये this is the identity of the parallel combination. So dear student, one time again, let three resistance R1, R2 and R3 connect in parallel by the battery. The potential difference B ends of the each resistance and current flow R1 is I1, R2 in R2 in I2, R3 and I3. The current I1 throw in R1, current I2 throw in R2, current I3 throw in R3. Potential difference is the same of each resistance. Then the total current of the circuit I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Equation number 1 call कर ली. We know that I is equal to B upon R, I1 is equal to B upon R1, I2 is equal to B upon R2 and I3 is equal to B upon R3. The value of I1, I2 and I3 substituting in the equation number 1. Then we get V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V is outside is common, 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Then the cancel of V from B. Then the equivalent resistance in parallel combination 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R3. Okay students, I hope you are understanding the combination of resistances in the series combination and the parallel combination. Okay students, good luck.